Now, that's your phone connected to the Bluetooth audio system. This system will also play or also stream audio. But if you go, I don't know why, but if you go to your iTunes there, you'll see phone, but there's no sign of the car. In order to get it to play through the car, you have to go to disc here, and it says, well, it's disc auxiliary, and sometimes you have to scroll through auxiliary CD and so on. In fact, I'll just do it. There you go. Just there's no disc, music box, Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio has not been selected. So, into settings, down to Bluetooth, and then you go to paired device list. Click on that, and you've got hands-free and audio it's showing. So onto audio, click, highlight the phone you want, which in this case is the only one on it, mine, so Barry's iPhone. Select, click select, and it's still not showing up. You'll sit here for ages and nothing happens. I'll just go back to disc and auxiliary, and it says connecting with Barry's iPhone. Nothing happens. But switch the radio off, switch the car off, switch it back on again, switch the radio on, and it's showing my car with the tick next to it. Then I'll just take it to connecting with Barry's iPhone. It's connected already. If we go back to Taylor Swift here, just turn that down, turn it up on here, and quickly I'll just give you a quick blast of Taylor. Oh, and which I forgot to mention in the video before, it's Bose speakers, so the sound system in here is awesome. That's it, that's how you do it.